Nick Rutter from McKee's37.com. I'm in the bathroom and I'm going to answer a question that I'm asked all the time, and that's, Nick, how do I clean applicator pads that I use to apply a ceramic coating? And I've repeated this answer a million times, so today I said, you know what, I'm going to make a video showcasing what I always recommend to my customers. So ceramic coating is unlike a wax or sealant, and when you apply with an applicator pad, like our coating applicator, what happens is the ceramic coatings, they create a really hard barrier protection. So over time, after like a day, they'll crystallize in the applicator pad and they'll render it useless, because you're not going to want to rub something that's scratchy now with crystallized nanoglass particles across your paint. So cleaning it is simple. I've got 3 coating applicators. We just filmed a few videos. This was used on the wheels, this on the matte paint, and this on the other parts of the vehicle. So our polishing pad cleaner is what I always recommend. It's safe for foam like this. And what makes it different versus an all-purpose cleaner is that it's going to rinse completely out of the material. So that's the big difference. If you use something like Simple Green or an all-purpose cleaner, while it may clean the foam, it's going to be detrimental to the inside cell structure, number one. And number two, it's not going to rinse out completely. And you do not want to be applying Simple Green or 409 or some kind of cleaner mixed in with your next ceramic coating job. So I spray it on there. As you can see, I worked it with my fingers. And I'm simply going to rinse it out. And the reason why I'm wearing gloves is this is simply going to save me an extra step of washing my hands. So I always like to have gloves like this on hand. You can buy these practically anywhere. Get a box of 100, they're dirt cheap. And they're great to have. Rinse it out thoroughly, and you know that you're finished rinsing it out when there's no more residue that's being flushed out of the pads. So this one is clean, and what I'm going to do is going to let it dry with it facing this way so the water runs down and it does not go in this adhesive material here, because our coating applicator pad is really unique. It's 2 foams laminated together, and the lamination prevents the coating and also the cleaner from penetrating in. So it's designed like that for a reason. And you can see, just after a few seconds of cleaning, how much better this applicator pad looks. If you're obsessive compulsive like I am, and you spend too much time doing things you shouldn't be doing, I could use a second application of this and get it looking perfect. But otherwise, this applicator pad is clean, it's ready to go. So that's polishing pad cleaner. Thank you for watching. Click the subscribe button. We upload videos like this all the time. I'm Nick Rutter from McKee's 37. Take care, and God bless.